two key partners growing ever closer in fighting an invisible enemy that's caused havoc around the world.
We will be very proud for this project. We are just completed by our team, and we are just contribute something for the whole human being in the world.
We are at Kizat Life Science Park Phase 1. The project currently is ongoing and it will be completed in very short period of time.
I heard about China State. I know China State have finished around more than 100 big projects, and I joined China State last year.
To help to rebuild with the help of Chinese engineering expertise acquired on this project and others. And of course, with much of the country now back in government control, the idea of rebuilding Syria, be it through vaccine factories like this one or other vital infrastructure, may not seem that far away.